Have you ever wondered why some investors seem to do really well, even if they don't constantly read financial news or chase every market trend? Here's the truth. The people who succeed at investing aren't usually the ones making the boldest moves. They're the ones who know how to play the long game. If someone had sat me down and shared the power of patience and compounding when I first started, I would have saved myself a lot of stress, worrying, and missed opportunities. Before we dive in, let's make sure you never miss out on the rest of this series. New tips or exclusive Q&A sessions. If you're serious about building wealth for the long run, subscribe to my channel right now. Joining our global community connects you with real support, answers, and a place to share your unique journey no matter where you're tuning in. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep moving forward together. So let's talk about the big secret behind long-term investing: compounding. It's a word you might hear tossed around, but let me break it down with a very realistic scenario. Imagine you begin with $1,000 and every month you add $100. Let's assume your investments grow at an average. After 20 years, do you know how much you'd have? Not just $25,000, which is what you would save with no growth, but over $50,000 thanks to compounding. Here's why. Compounding means you earn returns not just on your original money, but on the returns it's already generated over and over, like a snowball gathering speed. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. And when it comes to everyday investing, that's absolutely true. Let's take another demo example. Assume Priya in India invests $3,000 a month in an index fund starting at age 25 at 7% average annual return. By age 45, after 20 years, she have nearly $1.5 million, even though she only contributed $720,000 herself. The difference? That extra $780,000 comes from compounding. It's the same no matter your currency or location: USD, INR, GBP, or Euro. Regular, disciplined investing paired with patience lets compounding do its magic. Alright, now let's get into how long-term investing works in practice and how to set yourself up to benefit. First, patience really is a superpower. Markets go up and down, sometimes by a little, sometimes a lot. There will be headlines, surprises, even moments when your investments seem to stall or dip. But here's what experience and data tell us. It's staying invested, not jumping in and out, that delivers real growth. Let's look at two friends. Maya invests $200 a month for 10 years and then stops adding more, letting her money compound untouched for another 10 years. Alex waits 10 years before starting, then invests $200 month for 10 years and then stops. Both invest the same amount, but Maya ends up with almost twice as much just because she started earlier and gave compounding more time. I know sometimes patience feels boring or even frustrating, especially when friends brag about quick wins or hot stocks. You're stacking the odds in your favor. Building the right habits helps. Automate your investments so you never forget. Check your progress once or twice a year. Celebrate milestones along the way. And remind yourself of your bigger goals. If your portfolio grows by 5% in a year, give yourself credit. That's compounding in action. Here's an assumed real-world scenario. Let's say you're investing for a child's college or a future home. You start with what you can, maybe $150 or $10,000 a month. Some years the market grows, other times it falls. Over 15 or 20 years, even with ups and downs, patience and regular investing beat almost every get-rich-quick scheme. Remember, no journey is exactly the same. Your path won't look like mine or like anyone else's on this channel. What matters is staying disciplined and consistent over the long haul. So here's your action plan. Set a clear long-term goal: retirement, home, education. Decide on a realistic monthly amount and automate it. Refuse to panic during market dips. Remind yourself that time and compounding are on your side. Celebrate every year you stay on track. Share your milestones in the comments, big or small. If you wish someone had told you about the power of patience and compounding earlier, tell us below. Your story might help a new investor across the globe. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the tips, motivation, and community that will keep you moving forward. Next episode, we're covering taxes and fees, how to keep more of your returns and reduce those silent drains on your wealth. You won't want to miss it. Let's keep building wealth together, one month, one decision, one step at a time.